I'm Chef Jackson, and today we're making Easter egg bark. And this is how you make it. You put some white chocolate on and it's hot, and then you add some in-a-mint. And my mama just let me go in and do that, and my mama helped me. And then you put this glue and green sprinkles on, or you can do whatever sprinkles you want to do, or what you have, or you can do all of your sprinkles. And me and my mama use my blue and green one, and we have three more sprinkles, and it's chocolate, red, and hearts. Okay. And this is how you make it. Add white chocolate, and it's hot. And then you add the in-a-mint and the in-a-mint crunchy eggs, and they're kind of candy. And then we put it in the freezer. Then we crack it up. And that's it. Goodbye. And